Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add a countdown timer in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to Toolbox, find the titles and drag a text plus into your timeline. With your text layer selected, go to Inspector, then right-click inside the text box and choose the time code. This will generate a live timer. Now extend or trim the text layer to match how long you want your countdown to be. If you only need seconds and minutes, scroll down to right on and adjust the slider to remove extra digits. To make the countdown instead of up, right-click the text layer, then choose the new compound clip and hit Create. Then right-click again, then select the Change Clip Speed, check Reverse Speed and apply the changes. And that's it. There you have it, a countdown timer in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!